What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Hope y'all had a good day today. Hang on one second. I have a message. It's really just better to post in the main chat, and your mic is hot, so you're about to get muted again. Yeah, no go. Tried. Okay. If that didn't make sense to anybody, somebody in the Discord server asked me to unmute them because they were server muted, but they're server muted because they're always on with a hot mic. And I tried, and their mic is still hot. So I would recommend they turn on push to talk, and then that way there's no issue. And when they want to talk, they can push the button. What's up, Jack? What's up, Doji? What's up, Nathan? That chart looks familiar. Nobody's in trouble. I was just looking at crap, basically. What's up, Sarah? What's up, Anthony? What's up, David? I'm gonna preface with this. I don't know what's up with me today, but I am not feeling it, and I'm pretty annoyed with myself because I apparently I turned off my alarm this morning, like just rolled over, turned it off, went back to sleep. Woke up feeling mentally funky, right? And like, oh, I probably shouldn't trade today. And I actually like grabbed coffee, sat down at my computer. I was just kind of watching charts, didn't really see anything. Saw a setup that I liked, hesitated, would have totally worked out in my favor. And then I was like, oh, like, you know, maybe I'm wrong about feeling mentally funky, because that one trade setup that I liked worked out. So I was like, let me try it. You know, what's up, Triple G? So then the next setup I saw, I took it, and as soon as I entered it, I was like, oh crap, I missed something that kind of invalidated the trade for me, like based on my setups. And of course, then the trade immediately starts going against me. And I'm like, oh, great. So then it ended up going back to green. And when it was green, I was like, it's back to that resistance level where it's probably going to reject again. I should probably just close the trade here, even though it didn't hit my profit target. But I was like, no, I got to let it play out. And then it basically literally just dumped right from there, hit my stop loss, and crushed all of my hopes and dreams. So, in the spirit of transparency, this is... Whoa. That was weird. This is my last 2 weeks. This is today. I mean, I'm still obviously green, but red for this week. Up whatever... $1,170. I'll take it, or $1,150, somewhere around there. What's up, Brian? What's up, Manuel? So anyway, this was my day today. I don't know why I'm feeling funky. Yeah, I don't want to get into stuff too much, but like, I kind of posted stuff in Keenan's Discord. That's just like crazy to me. Like, I'm not going to name people because it's not worth it, but like charging whatever it was, it's like $395 for a beginner's trading course. And then there's a discount code that gives you $100 off, so it's $395. It's like absolutely crazy for me. Yeah. And I don't know, stuff like that when I see it. And then I saw so many people like, oh, I bought the course. I bought the course. I bought the course. And I'm just like, dude, you guys are just throwing your money away. Like, the person promoting that is literally making so much money off of all of those people. And it's sad. They're not offering much in return. Like, the trading course was like about RSI and MACD and support and resistance. And I was just like, ugh. Hate to see it. Anyway, Moving on. Um, let's look at our trade setups for today. IWM was invalidated. It gapped down. Oh, I hope that didn't trigger. It came very close, huh? Wow. Oh, wait, no, that's from yesterday. Okay. So today, gap down. Right now, it's saying buy on this this ABC indicator. And actually, like, that's something we should talk about. I've done very little, like, back testing with this thing. It's pretty deadly. So the signals are different based on the time frame, but like this is 1 minute on an IWM. It's saying to sell here, saying to sell here, saying to sell there. I've seen it miss a couple of times, but for the most part, it's pretty accurate. Like, so here it's saying to buy. That would have been a decent signal, right? Here it said to buy again. This would have been a miss, right? But yeah, it's pretty wild. Something definitely worth back testing and looking at. And then if you want to know what it is, it's this right here, ABCD, or ABC equals CD. AB equals CD. And it's by Patterns Hunter. It's actually pretty cool. Anyway, for us today, IWM was invalidated. The trade that worked out was MU. And then same thing here. Here's that indicator. Buy right there. Today. Dude, it literally predicted my play. So this hit both our trim level and close call level. And then actually came back down, triggered, hit the first trim again, triggered again, and would have stopped you out. But yeah, I'll take 2 wins and 1 loss. What's up, Timothy? How you doing? Hope work was good. What's up, Corey? Hey, what's up, JC? Yeah, I mean, I'm good. It's just, nothing major. Just like not feeling, my best today, if that makes sense. I don't know if I said hi to you or not, Brian, but just in case, hello. Yeah, the low volume is definitely getting to me. I want some more volume, please. What's up, Tony? So anyway, MU is a good one. This indicator really is nuts. Like, actually, this was better than my entry. So, let's chart up SPY really quick. I got to be pretty quick. I have about 35 minutes, and then I have to run out the house. Hopefully you guys know, like, we gapped down. Like, yeah. I mean, it never went over this level where I said I was looking for calls, but I don't think there was very much to trade today. On SPY, excuse me, burping. Don't know why. Let me erase this stuff. And I think I want to start erasing some of these older single prints and poor highs, poor lows, whatever. How old is this? Yeah, I'm good. This is gone. Alrighty. I bet it's dark. It's what? It's 7 o'clock at night. Hey, Brian, just in case I didn't say hi, what's up, brother? How you doing? I noticed Pfizer ran up pretty good today. For anybody that's been listening and buying. I mean, it wasn't anything huge, but it's also a dividend stock, so. They are not really giving us days where we can use SIGs. Poor high, poor low. SIGs. Hey, what's up, Oliver? What's up, the Stock Explorer? Or I should say Nora. What's up? How you doing? Um, it's not. You can't draw SIGs unless the volume profiles are overlapping. Excuse me. So on this day, you could barely draw SIGs as the value area high is slightly overlapping the value area low. Same thing here. You could draw SIGs. Here you cannot draw SIGs as this value area is completely outside of the previous day's value area. Here you can't draw SIGs because we're completely outside of the previous day's value area. These three, you can draw SIGs. This is inside of this value area, and this is slightly inside of this value area. So there needs to be some kind of overlap. Same thing here. You could draw it on these 3 days. You could draw it on these 3 days here as well, as they're all overlapping. To be clear, like I don't see a great example, but when it's multiple days, like this day has to slightly overlap this day. This day only has to slightly overlap this day. It doesn't have to overlap both. But in this case it is. But yeah, so you need minimum is 2 days, but they need to overlap, and we don't have that today. We're in space here. Okay. What's up? Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to pronounce your name. It's Evan. I want to say Evangelos. I hope that's right. Let me know. This looks pretty simple to me, but then I know we have like so much news. Let me look at the news really quick. Thursday's FOMC, right? CPI in England. Am I losing my mind? Why is FOMC on Wednesday? This is all obvious. I think tomorrow's going to be pretty choppy day until 2 p.m. And that would be 2 p.m. Eastern, just a FYI. Yep. So tomorrow's going to be pretty slow moving. Big P, you can use SIGs on any time frame. So if you have 2 months overlapping, you can use SIGs on monthly. If you have 2 weeks overlapping, you can use SIGs on the weekly. If you have 2 days overlapping, you can use SIGs on the daily. If you have 2 years overlapping, you could use SIGs on yearly levels. Okay. What's up, Slickamus? If you want to turn your volume up, I'm not going to do it this time. All right. Man, that was messed up, huh, Slickamus? I don't know why I did that. I'm salty today. All right. I mean, tomorrow's probably just going to be a rough day to trade. We'll just say that. You're funny, Slickamus. Yeah, with the news tomorrow, the morning's going to be rough for people trading options. It's going to be choppy and slow. 2 o'clock, we'll get some volatility. With that said, hopefully the volatility brings us to here. And you can look for puts. But again, also, like, the news could just absolutely wreck this. I would like to see them break this poor low, clean it up, and then go. I wasn't able to find any option setups that I like for tomorrow. If you guys have questions, now's the time, because I'm going to be dipping out pretty soon. Yeah, tomorrow would be a good day to take off.
What time frame do you use that ABCD pattern on? I never saw that.
Any time frame, but I mean, it's your question is like what time frame to use it on. If you want a swing trade, you would use it on higher time frames. If you want a day trade, I would look at 1 and 5 minute.
Could you show it to us again real quick?
Let's do a ticker where I know that it triggered today.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. So here's 1 minute on Tesla. It's set to sell right there. And it gave you four points. Me personally, I would probably close here. Oh, wait, no, this is more than 4 points, right? Oh, no, I'm moving the whole thing. Okay. It gave you 4 points. Me personally, I would... Well, I mean, the theory with, like, ABCD is D is going to make a new, like, lower low. So you could target, something. Me, I would probably get out right around here. 3 points, equal lows. But I think, like, it would be safe to target, like, these candles here. But generally, like, the theory is it's going to go at least a little bit lower than here, right?
Interesting. Thank you.
Yeah, but I like to trade more. I mean, like, again, You can look left and figure out like levels to close. I think like any of these would be kind of safe, like here, here, or even here. So I'm just basically looking at these wicks here. But me personally, like, I'll take my 3 points and close it at equal lows. That's just me. Okay. And then I think it also printed on 5 minutes. We can pull it up. From what I've seen from this indicator, you can literally turn it on 5 minutes or on 1 minute. And if you're using like equal risk and reward, it's accurate enough that you could get rich just trading on this indicator. I'm being
great.
I'm being dead serious. Like, I'm not joking. I'm being completely serious.
No, I believe it.
You know, like even here, look, this is NQ. How many points was this? 86 points.
NQ, my nemesis. That's crazy, 86 points.
Uh-huh. Even here, this is a small one, but it's going to be big, you know, NQ wise. 28 points right here. I'm telling you, like, if you picked a ticker, let's just say you pick NQ, and you say every time that thing prints, I'm going to target like a 20-point stop loss, 40-point take profit, and you just run it over and over, like here again, it hit for what?
I'm gonna
142
give it a try.
points. Like, of course it's going to be wrong occasionally, but if you're using proper risk management, even if it's wrong 3 out of 2 times, you're still going to be making money. Yeah, Oliver used it today. Krista, how did you do with it trading gold today? Well, how did you do trading gold and options with it today? Almighty Beardman, the book Mind Over Market is highly recommended. Definitely read that book. I shared the secret, Oliver. I don't keep secrets, man. I mean, I do keep secrets, but I don't keep secrets. If that makes sense. If you tell me a secret and say, don't share this, I won't tell a soul. But something like this, yeah, no, I'm not going to keep it. Yeah, see, Krista made money on both. Like, seriously, I feel like, hey, what's up, Thomas? I might be too excited about this indicator. But I mean, I've just zoomed out and looked, you know, like, here's gold, right? It triggered 3 times on 1 minute. I don't know anything about gold. How much does gold pay? So it's like 1.9 points. And then here, I'm sure all of these moves are like money. I don't know anything about gold. I've never traded it. 1.9, 1.5, 1.8. Evangelos, yeah, you can get it, of course. It's just in TradingView. You come here and you type AB equals CD. And you'll see AB equals CD patterns by Patterns Hunter. Hey, what's up, Gil? How you doing? Well, welcome to the channel. What are my settings? I didn't change any of the settings. They're literally just default. And then, like, you can see here, Oliver, I'm going to put you on blast. Oliver used it today on NQ, and he's never traded NQ before. And here's his day. That's insane. Like basically 40% gain on his portfolio for the day.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So I want to know how much money this. So right now on gold, it's saying to sell. And there it goes. I need to know how much money this is. Dude, who knows gold? Slickamus, like, if you're broke, then go get a hustle. Go get a side hustle, save up money, and then, yeah. Like, it's already, gold is dumping now. I legit need to know, like, how much this is. Sorry, I'm Googling it because I have no idea.
I was just doing the same thing.
How much is one tick on gold? $10. And then how much is a tick? Are these in 25-cent increments or what is it?
Point 10 cents.
Yeah, it literally just printed right now, Doji, like right in front of everybody's eyes. This came up. It's 10 cents.
Oh,
So
Google it.
I got to do math. This is
Waiting it.
so this is 15 times 10 basically. Or 19 times 10. Really? Wait. Wait, I think this is. So this is 6130 to 6310? That's way more than 1.8. Dude, Colby, what is the math on this? I need to know how much this pays.
I think it's 2 tick increments, no?
$10 per tick. A tick is 10 cents. Sorry, everybody. I got to figure this out. It's 1.8. Dude. This thing is beastie. I don't know how to get to paper trade. Sorry. So I think this is 180 bucks for one contract, if I'm doing math right. Oh, it flashes and disappears? I haven't seen that happen. Interesting. What's up, Solo? It prints A, B, C, D down. I mean, some of them are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D to find E. And some are like A, B, C to find D. I think it's saying, oh shoot, it's giving you the, it's saying like it should be a 1.389 move, 1.263 move, I think. I'm not sure. No, I don't think that's what that is. Thanks, Katsu. Yeah, Solo One, it works for everything. So, like, this is not a new concept. Um, Here, I'll show you guys. For people that are, I have to head out pretty soon, just an FYI. For people that are, or that have been around for a while, you guys know I recommend reading the book Volume Profile by Trader Dale. And if we just open that book as soon as I find it. Here we go. If we just open this book, and I mean, I'm sure there's other books that also talk about this, but he talks about a lot of, or not a lot, but he talks about different entries. So like this is, or wait, no, this is not him showing an entry. So this is one of the entries he talks about, and this is one of the entries that I talk about, which is support. Support gets broken. You wait for the retest, and then you would enter short. And then the inverse for long. Rejection, breakthrough, wait for retest, go long, or take calls, right? Puts here, calls above.
I think I saw ABCD in this book too.
Well, that's what I'm getting to.
Okay.
Then he talks about this trade is called the open drive. And basically, pre-market, you want to see sideways price action. Then you want to see what happens at the open. So like in this case, we sold off. When we come back to the level that we sold off from, you would enter puts or enter short and go down. If this was the inverse, if we trade sideways before the open and then rip up, you wait for it to come back to that same level where you opened, and you would enter calls or enter long. Oh, Evangelos, thanks for the joining as a friend. I appreciate that. So same thing. This is the same thing here, where it's showing when you finally retest that level, you would enter puts or enter short. Again, same thing. Trading sideways, open, retest, enter calls or longs. Here he's talking about exactly what we're talking about right now, which is you use AB, AB, C to find D, or you can use AB to find C, so on and so forth, or ABC, D to find E. And so this is, I mean, basically what he's talking about. And I've shown this on my channel before as well. Like when you get those initial big run-ups, you use your fibs from B to A, and then the 50% retracement, you look for calls or longs and play it up. And then normally D is going to extend higher than B. Me personally, I would just close like close to B, but that's how I trade. But then you see even like the retest on this was better. or the retest, right? Yeah. So. Daryl, with something like that is just volume would be like your confluence, but nothing says confident in trading. We're just trading probabilities, right? Over and over and over again. That's awesome, Slickamus. I'm happy for you. Yeah, dude, just keep grinding, keep hustling. Yeah, Colby, it's pretty sick, bro. Like it is pretty sick. Like Oliver used it today. I don't remember what level it bounced off of. I mean, I can probably look at his log and figure it out. Where is it? Lazy didn't write anything. His trade notes are blank. Where are you, Oliver? This is it right here. Solo one. This is it. Get volume profile. Here, I'll just link the book. It's a cheap book, and you can even get it for free if you want it for free. So here, I'll show you guys where you can get it for free. But I'll also, me personally, I like to read physical books. So if you like to read physical books, this is the link for Amazon. If you want it for free, you can literally just go. If you type in volume profile by Trader Dale, and then go to or just go to traderdale.com, trader-dale.com. Here, I hate that his website's a little like it feels scammy, you know, where it's like popping stuff up or whatever. But you literally just type in your name and your email and click instant download, and you will get it for free. And it's not BS. Like, you will get like marketing emails, but you can always cancel the, you know, you can opt out of the marketing emails if you don't want them. But this is an amazing book. Everybody should read this. Dude's a really good trader. Like, and this is the truth right here. And this is really like, he's not the first person to teach volume profile. He's not the first person to teach the ABCD pattern, but he does it very well. And, you know, like if you've been following the channel, this is all the stuff that we trade off of: volume profile, ABCD patterns. Like I've been showing you guys this. Like it's nothing new. I just, like, out of curiosity today was like, or actually it was last night. I was like, out of curiosity, I was like, is there an indicator for ABCD patterns that actually like works? Because I always just draw them myself. And so then I searched in TradingView, found that indicator, put it on the chart, and I was like, whoa, like this is accurate. And so, yeah. Oh, thanks, KJ. I appreciate that. Yeah. I'm going to call it a day here. Yeah, so Uno, 80% of the time, that's disgusting. Like, if you guys do some math, 1 risk, 2 reward, 80% win rate or whatever, even a 70% win rate, 60% win rate, you are becoming multimillionaires, like just by clicking buttons. Like, it's crazy. Yes, Almighty Beardman, it does work on larger time frames for swing trades. It's just you're not going to see as many setups. Like the lower the time frame, the more setups you're going to see. The higher the time frame, the less you're going to see. Okay. Yeah, no worries, Daryl. Yeah, I got to run out the door in 3 minutes, so I'm going to call it a day here. Hopefully, the video was helpful. This is disgusting. This is what? Another... I mean, obviously, like, we're not going to get the top perfectly or the bottom perfectly, but 2.4 points down on gold. If you did nail the top and the bottom, $240 per contract. Craziness. You don't have to put your real name. Like, all they're going to do is, like, you know, like I use my real name. So when Trader Dale sends me an email, it's like, hey, Drew, da, 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 you know, or hello, Drew, whatever, blah, 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 blah. But it's like, I'm pretty sure I just use my, just my first name. I didn't put my full name in. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this looks sick. You guys got to keep this one though hidden in the pocket. Like, don't be giving it to the influencers. Don't be sharing this with the scammers. They're going to use it to scam more money off of people. Yeah. This thing's pretty goated. Are you serious, Krista? That's hilarious. You just passed your trading combine using it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Again, I'm going to say this again. I hope you guys see this. Like, I genuinely get happy when I see you guys succeed and win. Like, it's not, you know, I can't make this up. I can't fake it. Like, I'm sure everybody that's been around for a while knows the kind of person that I am and knows who I am. But like, I am genuine. I do this because I care. I do this because I care about you guys. I want to see you guys win. I want to see you guys succeed. We're not hiding stuff behind paywalls and, you know, like, yeah, I want to see you guys succeed. And when I see you guys succeed, it makes me happier than you can imagine. Like, really does. As always, people that are subbed to the channel, really appreciate you guys. The people that interact and chit chat, really appreciate you guys. Extra big thanks to the friends of the stream. If you're new, I know that this can seem a little overwhelming when you first start watching. We talk about some pretty complex concepts. Some things are fairly easy, like this ABC indicator. Yeah, welcome, Solo. Glad to have you. Yeah, if you're new, even if this seems overwhelming right now, hang out, stick around. It'll all start to make sense. We do classes, we do education. We try to help people grow and get better. And that's what this channel is all about. And we're not trying to sell Discords or courses or anything like that. Like, it's all here. And that's it. Yeah, absolutely. Listen to Krista. Get into futures. Trading options is all right, but futures is where it's at if you want to be a day trader. Better for taxes. You don't have any wash sale rules. Like, there's just every reason to trade futures. No theta decay. And there's a few reasons to trade options, but most of them are not that great. All right. With that said, much love, much respect. We will see you tomorrow afternoon. Y'all have a good one. Peace out. Bye.